Ever been out on a ride when suddenly a loose bolt forces an unexpected stop? It's frustrating, right? That's exactly why having the right hardware on hand matters. This metric hardware kit is designed to keep you ready, whether you're tuning up in the garage or tackling a long off-road adventure. From the moment you open the box, you'll feel confident knowing you have the most common fasteners for Japanese motocross and off-road motorcycles right at your fingertips. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful compatibility. It's made for all late-model Japanese bikes: Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, and Suzuki. Inside, you'll find a carefully curated selection of M5, M6, and M8 bolts and nuts, the sizes riders see most often. The kit includes hex flange bolts, fender washers, pan head screws, button head bolts, nuts, and cotter pins, all matching the style and finish you'd expect on your bike. Plus, every piece meets or exceeds OEM standards, so you get a perfect fit and dependable performance every time. One of the smartest features? A full set of sprocket bolts, chain adjuster bolts, and matching nuts. These parts are notorious for loosening or disappearing thanks to vibration during aggressive rides or long trips. Having these replacements ready means you avoid downtime and keep your bike safe and smooth on the trail. If you ride multiple brands or share a garage, this kit's versatility is a real bonus. It's a compact, all-in-one solution that's perfect for adventure riders who need a reliable backup on extended journeys where hardware stores aren't an option. You get peace of mind knowing you're covered no matter where the road, or dirt, takes you. If staying prepared and minimizing ride interruptions sounds like what you need, this hardware kit is worth a look. Check out the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your maintenance game and keep your motorcycle running at its best.